For older coconut trees, farmers have to climb the tree directly to cut the coconuts. Each coconut tree produces 70 to 100 coconuts per year.
Now, the cheese is carefully removed from the molds, revealing the beautifully shaped Stilton. At this point, the edges might be a bit rough or uneven, so a palette knife is used to smooth out the surface. The knife gently sculpts the cheese, ensuring a nice, even finish. After the cheeses are unmolded and smoothed, they are placed on racks in the aging or maturing room, where they'll rest and develop their flavor. This room is cool and humid, creating the perfect environment for Stilton to mature. After around 3 to 4 weeks, the next important step comes. The cheeses are taken to be pierced with long needles, also known as piercing. This allows air to enter the cheese, which is essential for the growth of the blue mold. The big needles create tiny holes that encourage the mold to spread inside the cheese, forming those characteristic blue veins. While this is happening, the cheeses are also turned regularly to ensure even aging and to help the mold grow evenly on all sides.
Coconut is not only a valuable food source, but also provides many benefits for the environment and the economy. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos. In large-scale processing plants, each cutting machine is equipped with sensors and automatic blades, ensuring precise operation with a processing speed of 5,000 to 10,000 birds per hour. Parts such as the head, neck, and tail are also removed sequentially, streamlining the processing and ensuring a cleaner operation.
After the Stilton cheese has been pierced and turned regularly for about 6 to 8 weeks, cheesemakers begin checking it using a special tool called a die cheese trier. This long, hollow instrument is carefully inserted into the cheese to extract a small sample. By inspecting this sample, they can assess the cheese's texture, moisture content, and development of the blue mold. When the blue Stilton is ready, it has a firm yet creamy texture, with a crumbly interior that breaks apart slightly when cut. The blue mold will have spread throughout the cheese, creating beautiful blue-green veins that add to its visual appeal. Blue Stilton cheese is a famous British delicacy known for its bold, tangy flavor and creamy, crumbly texture. Its distinctive blue veins come from the Penicillium roqueforti mold, giving it a sharp, yet slightly sweet taste. Often called the King of English cheeses, Stilton is loved in the UK and around the world. It's versatile in cooking, perfect on cheese boards, paired with fruits and crackers, or crumbled into salads. Stilton is also great in soups, sauces, and pasta dishes, adding a rich, savory touch. For pairing, it goes wonderfully with full-bodied red wines.
Every year, millions of turkeys are bred through industrialized processes. Humans have optimized the production process to meet the increasing demand, with consumption potentially reaching up to 8 million tons annually. With a fully modernized breeding process, automated feeding and watering machines operate continuously, minimizing human involvement and optimizing resource usage. Are you curious about how farmers have managed to achieve this? If so, join me now as we explore the journey of turkey farming. The coconut processing process in the factory involves several stages, combining manual labor. Initially, the coconuts are stripped of their outer shell using hammers or specialized manual tools. Afterward, the brown outer shell of the coconut is shaved or peeled off, ensuring that the coconut meat surface is clean. Dried coconut meat is a highly versatile ingredient with various applications in food, cosmetics, and healthcare. The specialized drying oven, with an accurate temperature and humidity control system, helps manage the drying process and ensures the quality of the coconut meat. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, coconut can be utilized not only for its inner part, but also for its outer shell. What may seem like waste can actually be processed into a nutritious material for organic farming. The turkey processing industry is becoming increasingly modernized thanks to the support of advanced equipment and technology. Each turkey is hung by its legs on a conveyor belt and passed through hot water, a process used to loosen the feathers. Following this, an automatic plucking machine efficiently removes the feathers quickly. The turkey harvesting process is carried out efficiently with the support of modern transportation equipment, such as tractor trailers with metal cages. To reduce the weight and space before transporting to the next locations, farmers manually remove the coconut shells, making it easier to transport. The fresh coconuts are carefully placed on the boat and sailed across the calm rivers. Millions of coconuts from various places are brought to the coconut collection points. This is where the coconuts temporarily rest before being transported to the processing factory. The coconut paste, after being ground, is transferred into 1,000-liter containers. This mixture is then fed into a centrifuge machine. The centrifuge processes the lighter coconut oil, which rises to the top and is separated from the water and other impurities. As a result, the extracted coconut oil has high purity, a clear color, and retains the natural fragrance of the coconut.